Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll solve the following differential equation y prime is equal to y minus x by x. Note that this is a homogeneous differential equation because in the right hand side, numerator is a first degree homogeneous polynomial, so it has degree 1, and in the denominator also it has degree 1. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now, in order to solve homogeneous differential equation, we make the substitution y is equal to vx. Then by doing derivative both sides, we have that. Then by doing derivative both sides, we have y prime is equal to v plus xp prime. So by putting the value of y prime here, we get v plus xv prime is equal to y is nothing but vx minus x by x. So we have x times v minus 1, and in the denominator it is x. So it is nothing but v minus 1. So we get v plus xp prime is equal to v minus 1. So we have, by considering v, xp prime is equal to minus 1. So x dv dx is equal to minus 1. Note that here we get a separability. So by separating v and x, we have dv is equal to minus dx by x. Okay, so by taking integral both sides, we get v is equal to minus ln x plus c, and v is nothing but y by x is equal to minus ln mod x plus c, which is the general solution.